This week, I want to talk a little bit about an upcoming webinar that we have planned. I'll put a link down below so you can register and come and join in the love. I want to talk about how we can now, with the emergence of things like Industry 4.0, the Internet of Things, and connected platforms, how we can really leverage our modern technical publication. Now, we can agree that a technical publication is a wealth of knowledge, be it traditional or whether it's a new XML-based publication. We have in our technical publications, we have things like skill levels, configuration information, we have things like tools and spares and special equipment, fault information. It's all contained within our technical publications. Now, in a modern piece of information, the end user doesn't care about how we're identifying that information in the background particularly. But if we produce our technical publications in a modern way, conforming to something like S1000D is a good example in our industry, if we identify our content correctly, it means that with Industry 4.0 and the IoT and connected platforms and the way that we're all capturing metrics about our products and our platforms now, we can actually connect the dots between actual metrics and monitoring systems coming off of the platform and leveraging the actual content that's available to us within the technical publication. In this webinar that we have scheduled, we are going to talk about that exact thing. We're going to talk about how the IoT and Industry 4.0 and the connected platform can actually engage directly with the technical publication and how it can then trigger a maintenance process, or it can trigger some kind of parts ordering process. Imagine, for example, if we're using something like the S1000D process module that's available to us, and I know it's an enigma to many, but if we use it in the correct way, we can capture health monitoring system fault codes. We can ingress that into an IETP, and the IETP can make sure that we're presenting the right information, we're ordering all of the right spares, we've got the necessary skills available, and any specific specialist tools or equipment that might be available to us. This is all what Industry 4.0 IoT connected platform is going to deliver for us. So on this webinar, we are going to talk about that specifically. I've invited SDL to join me as co-presenters for this webinar because they're actually doing this right now for their customers. They are taking fault codes from external systems and they are triggering the processes that are then implied through our interactive technical publication. They're concatenating that whole maintenance downtime, and they're changing the paradigm in terms of whether we might send a maintainer out to go and diagnose first. We can maybe change that paradigm to the actual diagnosis happening while the piece of equipment is in mission and it's ready to be maintained as soon as it gets back to the flight line or to the maintenance base. So do sign up, link down below, and come and join us and learn what SDL is doing in terms of connecting the IoT and fault management and health management systems over to the technical publication. This lines up nicely with something called Condition-Based Maintenance Plus, which is something that is, if you're not based in the United States, is a huge initiative on how they can leverage things like Industry 4.0, IoT to help reduce massive annual budgets for maintaining complex pieces of equipment. So the role of the modern technical publication is changing. We can leverage it in ways that give us strategic and commercial advantage, but also helps reduce those maintenance budgets where we are spending tremendous amounts of time, where we might send a maintainer out to go and diagnose something. That maintainer then comes back, has to then log it, has to schedule it, has to order parts, all that stuff that maybe if we're a little bit more proactive and leveraging the IoT with the technical publication, and then we can trigger an event before the maintainer even has to go and have a look at a piece of equipment. That is kind of where our technical publications are going and how organizations are starting to leverage the technical publication. Now, I did give this similar kind of presentation at TDW Live last year, where I gave a presentation on the role of the technical publication and how the technical publication is changing. And it was then followed up with Dr. Mike Day, who gave a presentation on why are we creating all of this structure if we're not actually leveraging it, if we're actually not using it. Those presentations are available over on TDIQ. I'll put a link down below, and if you're a subscriber to TDIQ, you can get access to that. But please do sign up to this webinar. Join me where we can challenge the kind of normal paradigm thinking of what the role of the technical publication is, and we can shift that paradigm and we can have a look at how the modern technical publication is actually being used and leveraged today by customers and clients of organizations like STL. So if you're interested in how to use XML, if you're interested in how to use S1000D, and you're interested in how you can connect all of these different disparate systems and leverage things like the S1000D process data module, join us on this webinar. I'm Michael Ingledew. I'm all about making you successful with your technical documentation and your technical information strategies. Until the next one.